welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing some Dollar Tree DIYs and I'm so excited. I just went to the Dollar Tree the other day and I picked up a ton of fall stuff. I'm gonna show you a couple of things. So I got like this cute little like glass vase. I think it's a vase. I thought that was really cute. They had like a bunch of different like style vases. I liked this one. This one's a little bit smaller. This one's like wider but shorter. I don't know. I thought those were really cute. I found some more of these. I just grabbed these because I've already used the ones I had, but I feel like every time I like want to or even like think of something to do with them, I don't have them anymore. Like I already have them somewhere else. I grabbed this vase too, and I also grabbed this like white plate. So I'm just gonna set these on the top like that and like make something adorable with it. I'm gonna do all fall DIYs. This one is maybe a fall DIY, but it's like maybe could be like used for something else. I think I'm gonna do two different DIYs right now. I have like so many ideas that like I wanna get them out of my brain before I like totally forget. I've been like scrounging around on Pinterest to just find some inspiration, and like that place is like amazing for fall stuff. So anyways, I'm super excited to go get started with this. So yeah, I am going to get started on 2 easy and simple and budget-friendly DIYs because that's what I do on this channel, along with obviously a bunch of other stuff too. But I haven't done a simple, easy, inexpensive one in a really long time, so here you go. For my first project, you're just gonna need a glass vase, 3 packs of these decorative balls, and a plate. And now I'm just shoving all the balls into the vase, and this is so easy, you guys. So this is my kind of craft because whatever is easy will work. So I just shoved it full until I knew that I could glue the plate on the top. Obviously I didn't want it uneven or whatever, but yeah, so I had a bunch of extras. So you actually probably only have to buy 2 bags of this unless you actually want the 3 different colors. I think the 3 colors look really, really good together. And then I'm just putting hot glue in E6000 on top or onto this vase. And yes, I put hot glue first. So yeah, it tipped over and I had to fix it and add extra hot glue. So yeah, so that was an error. I like knew it as soon as I did it, but you know, what are you gonna do? But that is it, and I am so excited for this. Obviously I can't talk today, but I just don't feel like editing out all my mistakes today. And then for this one, it's going to be so easy. You just need a glass vase, twine, and then you need like sunflowers. And then I found these little baby pine cones behind my grandma's house. So these were absolutely free. So if you guys can find some little baby pine cones, I totally just ran into them that day. So I was so excited. But I am just going to take the twine and then just wrap it a bunch of times around the top of the vase. This one kind of has a dip, so I kind of just like went with that and just wrapped it all around because you guys know that I love my twine and I love my vases. And then I'm just going to add a ton of these little baby pine cones. I'm probably going to have to go back to her house and collect more because they were technically like in her neighbor's yard behind their house. So I felt kind of weird and I didn't have a bag with me, so I was making everybody carrying a bunch of pine cones. But I didn't like the yellow flowers with these. I only just liked these like little orange sunflowers, but I like love this. It's so simple and so easy, and it's only about $2 to make, or $3 I guess if you have to buy the twine, but I already had the twine, so it only cost me $2. And I think this looks so pretty. I'm like getting ready to do a fall decorate with me house tour-ish type thing because I can't help but want to get all my fall stuff out. But you guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.